Namaste everyone, welcome back to Current Gyan. So we have discussed the 3 year plan, which was the 12th year plan of the Nepal. So now we'll discuss about the 13th plan, 2017-71 and 2072-73. So the background, if you see the background, the Nepal is still a least developed country. If effectiveness could be bought in the development work together with the political commitment, and there is a possibility that Nepal can be upgraded to the list of developing country in the middle economic income from the least developed country. This plan is found to have focused towards the poverty alleviations by promoting the green economy through the attainment of the millennium development goal and development of goals of SAR, and through it addressing the issues of including sustainable development. So the long-term vision was to upgrade the Nepal from the least developed countries to the developing countries by 2079, that is 2022 AD. So what was the objective? To bring about the direct change in the living standards of the general public by reducing the economic and human poverty and prevalent in the nation. And the main goal of this plan was to reduce the proportion of the population living below the poverty line to 18%, and other goals are given in the table, this table. So this is the indicator, and this is the status of fiscal year 2069-17 and the target of 13-year plans. So the annual average in economic growth rate was 3.5, and the target was 6. And annual average growth rate of the agriculture set from 1.11 currently in the fiscal year 2069-17, and the target was to be achieve 4.5. So the annual average growth rate of non-agriculture sector was 4.6 and target was 6.7. Annual average growth rate in the employment was 2.9 and the target was to get 3.2. And life expectancy at birth in the year was 68.8 and the target was to get 71. And the literacy rate of 2015 to 24 years was 87.5 and the target was to get 90. The population growth rate was 1.35 and the target was also 1.35. So the maternal mortality rate was per 1 lakh was 281 and the target was to achieve 134. Population with the excess of drinking water was to 85 and the target was to get 96.25%. So the population with the excess of sanitization, 62%, and the target was to get up to 90%. This was up 2022, up to 2022. This plan was up to 2022. So the net enrollment rate at the primary level was from 1 to 5 grade. So it was 95.3% and target was to get 100%. So district headquarters with the road connectivity was 73% and the target to get 75%. Density of the mobile phones and telephones per 100 was 71 and target was to get 100 out of 100. So electricity generation installed capacity in megawatts. So installed capacity was 558 and the target was to get 1426. So population with the access of electricity, 67.3% population have access to the electricity and target was to get 87%. So the irrigation, if you see in the hectares, was up to this much and the target was up to that much. So you can see the area covered with the forest was 39.6% and the target was to get achieve 40%. And total length of the road transport. So the road was 25,100 133 kilometer and target was to achieve by 2020 to get 28,133. So what was the strategy? The plan has adopted the following strategy to attain the of above mentioned objective and goals. First, to achieve the exclusive, broad-based and sustainable economic growth by enhancing the contribution of private, government and cooperative sectors to the development process. Number two is to develop the physical infrastructure. Number three, to enhance the access to the use of quality and social service. Number six, fourth is to enhance the good governance in the public sector, public and other sector. Number fifth is to enhance in the economic and social empowerment of the target class, region and group. Number six is to implement the development program adapting to the climate change. And what was the area of priority? So the plan has identified the flowing priority areas. First one is the development of hydropower and other energy, increasing the productivity, diversification and commercialization of agriculture sector, development of tourism industry and trade sector. Number D is development of the basic education and health, drinking water and sanitization sector. Number three, promotion of good governance. Number six is the development of the road and other physical infrastructure. Number last is the protection of natural resources and the environment. So the targets and the achievement of the 13-year plan. So let us see the target and achievement. So the annual average income the growth rate, the target was to get 6.6 and we achieved 2.9. So it is very bad. And agriculture sector similarly can say target was 4.5 and we achieved only 2.2%. And non-sector also we have not done good. And if you see the inflation rate, then we have increased to 8.7 from 7. So annual growth rate in the employment was reduced to 2.9. So the target was this much and we achieved 2.9. So the population below the poverty line, so the population below poverty line was to target was 18 and we achieved good in this 21.6. So life expectancy at the birth was 71 the target and we achieved up to 69. This was also very good. Maternal mortality rate for 1 lakh was 213 as a target and we achieved we were to 258. This was little bit improvement, not much. Um, and population access with the drinking water we have targeted with 95 but we achieved this much. In the population the axis of sanitization we have targeted to 90.5 and we achieved 91. Net enrollment rate of primary level we have targeted to this and we have achieved this much, that is very poor. So literacy rate, if you talk about from the age of 25 to 50 to 25 years, so our target was 95 but we achieved 88 86 point this month 88.6% only. District headquarters with the road connectivity, our target was 75 but we achieved 73. Density of mobile phones, and this month our target was to achieve 100 out of 100 but we achieved 110.3, that is a little good. Electricity generation we have targeted to 1426 megawatt but we have gone up to 851 megawatt. Population with the excess of electricity we have targeted 87 but we have not targeted up to 87 but we have got up to now is 74. So irrigation similarly 14.9 and we have achieved up to 13.9. Similarly, forest cover we have achieved a lot. So total length of the road transportation was target was 27,964, but we have achieved a lot more. So thank you for this. Now I will meet you in the next class with the 14th year plan. So thank you. Jai Nepal.